Are you tired of seeing your Google Cloud Platform logs in the wrong time zone? It can be confusing when your logs show times in CEST instead of UTC. If this sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we will show you how to change the display time zone in your Google Cloud Platform logs. I completely understand how frustrating it can be to sift through logs that don't match your server's time zone. You want to see everything in UTC, just like your server is set up. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users face the same issue. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how do I change the time zone for the displayed times in Google Cloud Platform logs? They mentioned that their logs are currently showing CCEST time, and they want to switch to UTC. Sound familiar? Let's work through this together. So why is this happening? Google Cloud Platform logs default to a specific time zone, which can be different from your server's settings. This can lead to confusion when analyzing logs. But don't worry, we will guide you through the steps to change it. And stay tuned. At the end of this video, I have a quick tip that will help you manage your logs even better. To change the time zone for the displayed times in Google Cloud Platform logs, the user should start by navigating to the Google Cloud console. Next, the user needs to access the logging section. This can be done by selecting Logging from the left-hand menu. Now, the user should look for the option to change the time zone. This is typically found in the Settings or Preferences area of the Logs Explorer. Finally, the user can select UTC from the Time Zone drop-down menu. After making this selection, the logs will display times in UTC. Fun fact, did you know that UTC stands for Coordinated Universal Time? It's the time standard that the world uses to synchronize clocks, so you're definitely making the right choice by switching to it. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests that in the new Logs Explorer, you can change the time zone directly in the query results card. Look for the timestamp column header, which has a drop-down menu that allows you to select your preferred time zone. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One user points out that you cannot directly change the time zone in Google Cloud Platform logs. The displayed time zone is based on your Google account settings. However, they suggest using the advanced filtering feature in Stackdriver to filter logs by timestamp, allowing you to specify time zones. To filter logs, you can combine timestamps with other criteria and specify ranges. For more details, check the documentation on advanced log filters. Here's a quick tip. Regularly check your logging settings to ensure they match your server's time zone. This will save you time and confusion in the long run. And there you have it. You should now see your Google Cloud Platform logs in UTC. Remember, keeping your logs organized is key to effective monitoring. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into log management.